Hi guys, awesome to see you here. I just thought I'd let you know I got my plasma cutter consumables today. Got my couple of little packets here. Really awesome. I'm really pleased with the with what I got and the cost of them. Yeah, have a look, see what you think. So I got my parcel today from Amazon. Awesome. For $16.90, it's quite unbelievable value actually. I got 20 of the old ceramic swirl rings, 20 of the extendable cutting tips, drag tips, and 10 double-ended electrodes. So you just turn them over, of course, so you only need half as many tips as what you do electrodes, because you can just turn them over. Awesome. And not only that, I got a box of 10 ceramic cups for the top of the torch. And while I was at it, I brought a new PT31 LG40 plasma torch. And you can't go wrong. I mean, this thing's $11.80 for the torch, and $16.90 for all the consumables. And how could you go wrong with that? Anyway, I'm as pleased as punch, so I just thought I'd let you guys know. I'll drop a link down the bottom. Just click it if you want to buy something for yourself. So that's about it, guys. I'm going to go and play with my new torch now, and yeah, I just thought I'd let you know and see how I got on. Really good buy. If you want to buy them yourself, just click the bottom there and buy them for yourself. Cheers, guys. Thank you.